Okay, let's dive right into this explainer on barrel exports and how they instantly clean up your codebase. So, a barrel export is basically an index file that re-exports all your folders modules from one central spot. Think of it like walking through your house's main door, instead of checking 10 totally separate side doors. To set one up, just create an index file, add your exports there, and boom, clean imports everywhere. Instead of writing messy, tangled import lines for every single component, you get one clean, unified path. This centralized setup means much cleaner code, far better discoverability for new devs, and super easy maintenance. It's a professional standard used by React and Next.js. And trust me, it makes future refactoring an absolute breeze. But here's the catch. You should literally never import from the barrel inside your individual component files. Doing that creates a nasty circular dependency, which will completely break the exact structure you just organized. So I'll leave you with this. Are your project stores actually organized, or is it time to build a barrel?